Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines of this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here at the second place we have the Gridlines option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn them on and turn them off as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. Let's move back to the camera, and here in the preview we can see these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. And of course remember that the grid lines are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo and when I move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them we have to go back to the left corner, slide down again to the useful features and pick the button from the right with grid lines to turn them off. So now in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.